Reporting live in Westmoreland. This is what's going on. This is what the storm is doing here right now. Look at that. Rain, rain, rain. Oh my gosh. Look out there. Windy too. Look at that. Reporting live on the storm that hitting Jamaica right now. And I'm in Westmoreland. I cannot go anywhere. I cannot do anything. It is raining like crazy. OMG. You hear the rain, people? Hear the rain. You hear it? This is Lady Lee reporting. From Westmoreland. What is going on in Westmoreland right now? Heavy rain and wind. Oh Lord. Heavy rain and wind. I am standing inside of my veranda. Whoa! Wow, people. No, so this is not normal. This is not normal. I am not outside, I am inside on the veranda. I'm grilling, so nothing can lift me up. Nothing can blow me away, I'm grilling. What's this? My neighbor breadfruit tree. OMG. Look at that rain. Man, where you going to rain here? Sharp lock. Wow. I know breadfruit not up on the tree, you know. I am cold. I'm cold. I am cold. Oh my gosh, I am cold. That's how windy is. Look at blow down all this. I need nobody to chop it tree. Try blow it down. That's how windy it is, guys. Yes, my eyes are swollen. See under my eyes are swollen and irritated very bad. That's what happened to me when I come to Jamaica. But it not stop me from come here. Go back out live again. Mercy Father. All look over there, so you say me can't pull it out.
I mean, when you're tired, I know you.
Who?
I'm
me can record. That's the starper tree. Look at that. can't even go up on the patio. Look at that. Guys, stay in and be safe. And watch the electric wires them. Let them drop down. Shane, I say you sit down like you're cold. Hey, you're not cold. Ah, I hear you. Watch them on. No, sir. Look at that. It's an all-day thing. Guys, I will check back in and give you an update on what's really going on. Let's see how long this rain is gonna last. Here. So let's see how long it's gonna last. So I will be right back later on. Not right back, I'll be back later on to give you more update on what's going on in Westmoreland, Jamaica. Me now better go no river enough water in the road when we can go swim.